Hi team, I think the easiest way of advising you on the information we have on the status of leadership team training is to record a short video. From BNI University, I have extracted and compiled a database of members assigned to leadership roles and their percentage completion on each role syllabus as per this report extract. Please bear in mind that BNIU shows historical assignment, not only the current year. We have also completed the record of attendance by members on the online training sessions carried out over the previous 4 weeks, again illustrated in this report extract. Combining the two databases enables us to search for an individual member and provide the degree of completion on the e-learning role syllabi and how much of the online training sessions they have attended. As an illustration, a report for High Flyers chapter shows the report I can produce. Obviously, this shows a duplication of members to roles due to historic role assignments. If you provide me with an up-to-date list of chapters, members, and roles, I will be able to provide a report for each chapter. Trust this will be useful for the chapter goal-setting sessions and the requirement for follow-up leadership team training. Please let me know if there is other information and assistance I can provide.